Wireless network versus wired network, which one to choose? Our homes and offices networks rely on either wired, Ethernet, or wireless technology. Sometimes we use both of them, especially when multiple internet-capable devices are set up in homes and offices. Wireless networks enable multiple devices to use the same internet connection remotely, as well as share files and other resources. But it's still hard to say wireless is better than wired, since each one has advantages and drawbacks. Let's compare wireless and wired technology from three primary factors: mobility, reliability, and security. Mobility, a wired LAN, local area network, uses Ethernet cables to connect computers together directly or more commonly through a hub, switch, or router. Wired connections typically cost much less and reduce battery drain on laptops and other mobile devices because Wi-Fi adapters use more power. As for wireless network, users can move around freely within the area of the network with their laptops, handheld devices, etc., and get an internet connection. The popularity of Wi-Fi has also increased due to increased smartphone and tablet sales. Many of these devices are not capable of wired Ethernet connections and rely on wireless signals for internet connectivity. Reliability, Ethernet-based, wired. Networks tend to be much more reliable than wireless networks. The backbone of any network relies on an Ethernet connection. The most common problem with wired network is loose cable connections, because you have to lay lots of cables and put them through walls, etc. A bundle of tangled wires can result in damage and performance degradation. Using zip ties is an excellent way to keep cables out of the way and tangle-free. For the most part, wireless technology is reliable. There are some concerns about interference from home appliances such as microwaves and cordless phones, but most wireless routers provide multiple channels that can mitigate this concern relatively easily. Security. The security of an Ethernet network is almost primarily dependent upon a firewall. Most broadband routers include a firewall already, and software firewalls can also be installed on individual machines. Unlike wireless networks that broadcast data through the air, all data packets in a wired network safely travel through Ethernet cables. As long as the router is protected from intrusion using a firewall, your wired home and office network is safe. The mobility of wireless networks is overshadowed in some respects by the lower security inherent to wireless. An unsecured wireless network can easily be compromised by a hacker or identity thief looking to intercept private information traveling through your wireless network. Although these risks are very real, many of them can be avoided with proper network installation. For example, using a secure password for logging into the wireless network. Although this does not make a wireless router completely safe, it certainly reduces the likelihood of unwanted guests gaining access to your information. If you need any Ethernet cables for wired network or cost-effective Ethernet switches for wireless network, just give us a shot. Contact details are given in the description.